Hi everyone, Vanessa Webb, Stampin' Up Demonstrator Australia here. I am going to unbox my box of Sunshine Paper Pumpkin Kit for you today, just so that you can see what comes inside the box, and also maybe what you'll need to be able to stamp the cards and pop them together, and what's included, because I think you'll be surprised at what's included in here. So I'm just going to open the box. Now they do suggest that you try and open it so that you're not wrecking the box, because you might want to send some goodies in the mail to somebody who needs a bit of a cheer up or a bit of a lift. And the box is perfect for sending through the post. You can pop it inside a padded bag or even another postage box. But yeah, it's already decorated on the outside with the rays of sunshine. So you can coordinate whatever you might want to put in the box with that lovely yellow colour. So if I bring the advertisement in, here's just a little flyer that I've been showing people, and the box itself is $37 and it's available while supplies last. Now I have it on good authority that there is plenty of these boxes of Sunshine kits left in our Stampin' Up warehouse in Sydney, so you can order that through my online store. It should be, when you go into my store, it should actually come up on the front page, but the item code, if you're looking for it, is 155231, and as I said, it's $37. So it makes enough ingredients in there to make 8 handmade cards, and there are envelopes as well, I believe. So let's have a look in here, see what we get. Okay, so we have, I love how it's all wrapped up. This is actually the first paper pumpkin kit I've had in a very long while. So this is inspired by Sarah Douglas, who is the CEO of Stampin' Up, and there's a little suggestion here. As I said, once you've made all the cards, you can use any of the leftover pieces, and we'll investigate what they might be in a second, and fill it with yellow goodies and add the included adhesive label, because there's an address label that you can use to pop on the front, and then just seal the box, apparently, if you want to send it off to somebody, and address it to someone special to brighten their life with a little sunshine. There you go. If you have an Instagram account and you've made your cards up and you'd like to share them, you can also hashtag your image with this Share Sunshine hashtag. Okay. That's right, there's a little suggestion that you can order the mini paper pumpkin boxes, item 153069, from the 2020-2021 annual catalogue, and you can create even more. So what a great idea that you can get the mini paper pumpkin boxes and I'll pop some extra goodies in there to send out. All right, so let's have a little look. On the top, we have our stamp set, which is exclusive to this kit. So you've got some words there, some greetings. You are loved, sending a hello, sending sunshine, sending a smile, sending a little something to brighten your day. And then you've got the rays of sunshine and the little sun there in the line art stamp, very cute. You get a basic black Stampin' spot. So yeah, if you weren't wanting to use that, if you wanted to give it away to somebody so that they could stamp their own cards after you've given them some samples, then I would suggest that you use the Memento ink pad for your stamping. And we have some of this gorgeous tissue paper here, which is very similar to one of our bold bright colours. I would say that's a Mango Melody colour. And inside you have all of the supplies. Now they're wrapped in cellophane. I'm just going to get that out there so I'm not wrecking my tissue paper. Yeah, I can see that you would use that tissue paper to wrap some goodies, gift wrap some things to pop in that box. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. Let me just open this so we can see what we've got here. Gorgeous. Okay. All right. So inside we have got some dimensionals, so some mini Stampin' dimensionals. We've also got some yellow sequins in 2 different sizes there. These are the envelopes, so they actually have some gold foil artwork on them, all ready to go. So they're the envelopes, and then there's these die cut images here, which you can just press out and stick onto your project really easily. So that's those. And we have, there's 4 sheets of those. We also have some of these, which I believe are panels to go on the cards, as well as, so this is a larger piece of the polka dot black and white, and there's also smaller panels which you'll be able to use on the front of your cards as well, just to highlight the greeting. So there's 2 sheets of those. Yep, that's right. And here are our card bases. So separated with this piece of cardboard. You've got a card base which is already folded. So let me just, already scored I should say. So there's one card base there with the gold foil. And oh, here's some more stickers. So you've got some more pineapples and a sun. And a nice frame that you could put on the front of a card. Here's our labels to stamp greetings onto. Here's another card base that's already printed on. So all you've got to do is just layer up a greeting and a couple of elements onto that. It's just stunning, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. And here's another one with a sun and the rays coming out from the middle. So that's also a card base. And then the last card base type is this one here, which has, yeah, just a little bit of a yellowy tone to it, but it's sort of that watercolor look in the background. I love the way they're all folded for you already. And here's our instructions. Oh, we've got some little mini glue dots. So they come with the pack. So it looks like you don't need to add any adhesives, unless you maybe want to use some Tombow or Stampin' Seal for the flat pieces of cardstock. Here are the instructions. So we've got, on the front, we've got a completed, a picture with all of our completed cards. And it looks like they've put the label on the front of the box. So this is the label here, which you can use as an address label when you're sending the box through the mail, if you wanted to decorate around that using some of these elements too. I love that idea. Inside, yeah, they've got the directions, so very simple. All you've got to do really is stamp a greeting, punch it out and stick it onto the card. And you could use the elements in a number of different ways, it looks like. And the suggestion was, if you've got elements left over, so say, you know, you have a spare couple of lemons, or the sun, another sun, or some of the pineapples, and even the tissue paper you could use on some extra cards or tags if you wanted to include them in the box, or use them as gift tags later on. So everything is there for you. There's even some other suggestions on how to use the elements there. It's quite comprehensive, and yeah, you get a lot. And obviously once you have used all the elements in, all the elements that are Anyway, the ones that you use up, you can still use your stamp set on other cards right in the future. So this is something that you'll keep forever, as with the black Stampin' spot, and you can re-ink that. That's actually an archival spot too, so I believe it's good for watercolouring if you're wanting to do a little bit of watercolouring. Consumables, that's the word I was looking for. So once you've used up all the consumables, don't forget, you've still got a beautiful stamp set to play with. So I hope that has piqued your interest in our box of Sunshine Paper Pumpkin. Remember, it's available now in my online store. And there are still plenty of these left in the warehouse. So get yours today while supplies last. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.